Looks like Rigid brought back the Stealth Force Oil Pulse Impact Driver, and it's running for 139. I kept hearing conflicting stories for quite a while that it was a discontinued tool. I'm thinking in mind available to manufacture this device. So it might not even been available to the Australian and Europe counterparts of AEG, or they re-engineered the impact driver, same exact model they left, and they made it better. That's the only two options I'm thinking of. But anyway, it's available now at Home Depot, so link will be in the description if anyone's interested. Everything is exactly the same as you probably remember. It probably runs better. No one's tested the new improved version, it seems like. Still got all this nice stuff. Let's click open and see. It's got the quick release like the usual rigid tools, tri-beam LED, variable speed trigger, grip light. It's brushless, of course, hex grip, the belt hook, brushless motor technology, 3-speed, half the noise, up to 2 times faster. Maybe it won't vibrate as much as the test I have seen online. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly the same. I mean, I have the regular brushless version. My backing's exactly the same, except for I painted on mine so people know it's mine when I'm using it at work. But I always wanted to get this one after the fact. Maybe I will. Probably give it a good 6 months to a year, and this will be at direct deals. See what other deals are going on with Rigid. Octane brushless impact driver. It's $119 per tool. The Octane brushless with a 4 amp hour battery is $149. So if you're already in the Rigid platform, let me click on this. Come on, load. Awesome. There we go. So the Octane brushless impact driver comes with a 4.0 lithium battery, the newer one with the newer label. I have the older label. $149. So if you're already in the platform, you have a charger, you're good to go right here. You just need this and that, and you're off to the races. Click out of this. Let's see what they got going on. Any more? Oops. Why is this always happening when I go into things? Alright, let's see what else they got. DeWalt. No. Oh, here we go. So it's $119 for that one. The one I have, which is the R86037, comes with a 1.5. It's $119 with the battery. Not bad if you want to get this tool and you have the hammer drill and had gotten that special in 2018. Yeah, for $79, this is a good deal. It comes with one battery. 119. Just not bad, actually. And it should be free shipping. Yeah. Ship to store is free also, depending on the store you're at. It's not bad of a price if you want that one. Okay, let me go back and see what else they got. Oh, see, that's the... I call that the Gen 2 of the brushless. It has the light in the bottom instead of the tri-beam. You can also get this for a kit for, I think, $179. I'm not sure right now. Prices keep changing. Rigid goes up and down and fluctuates. And it's the same one as the one I have, the RA6037. Except for this one is, what's the model of this one? Hold on a second, I have to check. Give everyone the rundown. RA6038, so it's only one up, but I call it the Gen 2 of that brushless line. It's exactly the same, it's still 3-speed, still mechanical 3-speed. Except for the lights on the bottom, it's still tri-beam. But everything else is the same. Yeah, everything else is the same. Let's go to Power Tools and see what's going on with Rigid, because I'm going to keep this simple and keep it rigid. Please don't sue me. Rigid Studios. Laugh out loud. Just kidding. We're talking about Power Tools here, not the Juggernauts. No disrespect to them. Excellent channel. Let's see what's going on with Rigid. Any deals? I know there was a deal on the subcompact line. That's still $199 for that kit, the Gen 5X brushless. If you're interested in that one, it's $199. $139 if you want an X4 kit. I actually had this kit, but mine came with the big orange charger. Terrible kit, at least for me. But if you're a DIYer and you're getting into the game, this is pretty good if you don't mind brushes. 4-pole motor. The drill is a Fuego, I think. So it's RA6038. Yeah. RA6008. Yeah, that's the model. And the impact is RA6035. Yeah. Surprised I actually remember those. It's because I tried to get them done through LSA and it failed. And this model, this kit is R96021. And let's see if I'm correct on the... Oh, the drill driver is actually 535. Oh yeah, it is 535. That's right. It's correct. And I'm correct. It's RA6008 for the drill driver. So that's the Fuego. And RA6034. Oh, I was off by a little bit. Nobody's perfect. They'll get the job done if you want DIY. $139 is not bad for them. If you want a DIY kit, this will do the job for you. Just make sure you buy yourself high quality, impact rated driving bits and drill bits, and you're good to go. Don't cheap out if you buy this kit. Treat yourself to the better quality, and your projects will come out flawless, and you'll thank me later on. Right, let's see. Back to Power Tools. See what else is going on with Rigid. See what new 15. Rigid always has strange. That's still 229. They have a boot for that Octane cordless half-inch impact driver. The only problem is it says AEG because it's not available for our version. But if you can find it at a good price and you don't mind shipping it from overseas, by all means, buy the boot. It will fit that impact driver. It's just designed for the AEG branded version. There's no difference. They're the exact same impact driver. Except for over in Europe, they go by Newton meters instead of torque, like we do. I've heard great reviews about the Quark gun. I might actually give me one of those. This little vacuum, people sometimes complain. It looks like a dust vac for from Black & Decker back in the 80s, early 90s. Dustbuster. Yeah, and as for this rigid 18-volt subcompact multi-tool, brushless multi-material saw, you can use the Dremel. It will fit, and the new one comes with an adapter for the arbor to fit different wheels. So this one is worth it. I would buy that. Let's see what else is going on in Ridget. Come on, Ridget. Work with me here today. Why does it always go back and up, 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 up? Alright, let's see. I might add that to the cart. $3.99 for the 12-inch Midas dual bevel slided Mido saw. It's not bad. I wouldn't buy it. Is that the 18 volt? No, that's just the regular corded. $52. Pancake air compressor, $129. Not that bad. See what else is going on. Still considering the 18 volt shop. $4.99. This is brushed. Don't buy it. That's not bad. It's brushed, but still not bad. If you're looking to get your first drill driver and you want to get in a rigid platform, this will do for you. Reminds me of my Fuego Gen 4. And it has the same technology, it's just updated design. Maybe the power is about the same, even though they don't tell you the torque numbers. I believe it's 535. See what else? Widget. 21 degree, 3.5 inch round head frame and nailer, $229. That's Russian. It's pneumatic. Nah, I wouldn't mess with pneumatic. Me personally, but if you want it, you can buy it. What else is going on, Ridget? There's always something going on sale. Alright, let's see. Boxes are never on sale. Oh, sub pump. It's good for the house, I guess. If your basement, so you keep it from getting flooded. I always tell people buy a sub pump. $94. If you look for a sale, you could probably find a extension cord for half that. That would do the job. $169. I'm annoyed that I missed out on the sale. I was gonna buy the $99 deal that they had on the Octane Circle saw, but I missed out on it due to a car accident. Didn't have the money. After the car accident, everything I had went towards survival mode, so I couldn't get it. But I wanted it nevertheless. Things always go on sale, so I still might have a chance. When it comes to this, I have the Husky version of the Power Spin toilet auger and drain auger. I like it. It's useful. It does the job. It's what I want. Let's see. What else is there? Yeah, I would buy that if I didn't have the Husky version. Come on, Rigid, work. Work with me here, work with me here. The subcompact needs to go down in price. I would say $179 would make it a solid deal. But it would probably go down eventually. I have no idea when that day will come. This ain't bad, actually. The Octane cordless brushless jigsaw with the 4.0 battery. It's not an Octane battery, but you're getting the jigsaw and the battery. As long as you have a charge and you're in a platform, no brainer. You can always get an Octane battery later on. And I heard there's a supply and demand problem with the Octane 3.0 batteries right now. You can get the 6 and the 9, but the 3.0s are no go right now. Oh, and as for this oscillating edge built sander, I hear a lot of good things about this. If I had a shop and I was doing more woodworking, I would definitely buy this. It's 50 foot for $39. Not bad, actually. If I catch one for $29 or $20, I'll grab it. This router's not bad. I used to have one that had the same amperage. Mine was a Craftsman Pro. It was a vintage one. The motor burned out, so I got rid of it, but I used to have one. It was nice. It was a plunge sander, had a plunge router, had the handles and everything. Quiet air compressor. Oh, here's the Octane kit. $329 there. This goes down to $199. I mean, $229, $269 around here. I would say it's a go. But not at these prices. Richard's out of their mind. So is Home Depot with some of the prices. It's crazy. It makes no sense. 2 and 4 for $159. God, better your mind. I mean, yes, it's a dual charger. I would say $129 maybe for this. I mean, I was able to find two 2.0s on clearance, 2-pack for $52. Some people were finding them for $35. And I saw someone that found one for, what was it, $18. I was like blown away. That it location, that's it. Now this ain't bad. 67 for 100 foot versus that other price. This is a different model. That's what it is. Delivery unavailable. You gotta be kidding me. Supply other tool manufacturer as well, so you're gonna find that throughout the brands you're gonna have trouble finding. And that's an auger. I've used those before. Those are excellent. The K6P. Excellent if you gotta clean a drain. I recommend it. It's a standard